What if I told you that one of the most powerful herbs in your kitchen has been used by healers, soldiers, and chefs for over 3,000 years? Ancient Egyptians used it in their embalming rituals. Greek soldiers bathed in it before battle for courage. Medieval Europeans scattered it on floors to ward off illness. And today, thyme is having a full-on renaissance in wellness circles, and for very good reason. Welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible world of thyme, from its botanical roots and healing compounds to how you can use it every single day in your kitchen and your wellness routine. Let's begin. Thyme belongs to the Lamiaceae family, that's the mint family, and its botanical name is Thymus vulgaris. It's a small, woody, perennial herb native to the Mediterranean region, where it still grows wild on sun-drenched hillsides and rocky slopes. Now, there are over 300 species of thyme, but the ones you'll encounter most are common thyme, your go-to kitchen staple; lemon thyme, which has a bright citrusy note, perfect for fish and poultry; wild thyme, often used in herbal preparations; and creeping thyme, a low-growing variety popular in gardens and teas. The plant itself is delicate-looking, tiny oval leaves. Inside those tiny leaves is a powerhouse of beneficial compounds. So what makes thyme so remarkable? It all comes down to its natural chemistry, and I promise, no lab coat required here. The star of the show is thymol, a natural compound responsible for that distinct, earthy, slightly sharp aroma. Thymol is so potent, it's actually used as an active ingredient in some commercial antiseptic mouthwashes. Alongside thymol is carvacrol, another compound known for its antimicrobial muscle. Together, these two are the dynamic duo of thyme's therapeutic profile. But thyme doesn't stop there. It's also rich in rosmarinic acid, a powerful antioxidant, flavonoids like luteolin and apigenin, vitamins C and A, iron, manganese, and dietary fiber. That's a lot packed into a tiny leaf. Now, let's get to the part many of you are here for. What can thyme actually do for your health? First, respiratory support. Thyme has been used for centuries to soothe coughs, bronchitis, and congestion. Modern research supports this. Thymol helps relax the muscles of the airways and clear mucus, making it a natural ally during cold and flu season. Thyme tea or thyme-infused steam can offer genuine relief. Second, antimicrobial properties. Studies have shown thyme essential oil and thymol are effective against a range of bacteria, including some strains that cause food spoilage and skin infections. That's why thyme was historically used as a wound dressing and food preservative long before refrigeration existed. Third, antioxidant protection. Fresh thyme is actually one of the highest antioxidant-ranked herbs per gram. Those antioxidants neutralize free radicals, the unstable molecules linked to aging and chronic disease. Fourth, digestive wellness. Thyme has traditionally been used to ease bloating, gas, and indigestion. Its natural compounds help stimulate digestive enzymes and reduce gut discomfort. And fifth, mood and stress support. Carvacrol in thyme has been studied for its potential to positively influence serotonin and dopamine levels in the brain, the neurotransmitters that regulate mood and well-being. Fascinating, right? Let's talk about the kitchen, because thyme is one of the most versatile herbs you'll ever use, and honestly, one of the most forgiving. Fresh thyme sprigs are beautiful tucked into roasting chicken, braised meats, or tossed into a hot pan with olive oil and garlic as a flavor base. The leaves strip easily off the stem. Just run your fingers backward along the sprig. Dried thyme is wonderful in soups, stews, marinades, and spice rubs. Use about 1/3 of the amount you would with fresh, since drying concentrates the flavor. For a simple wellness ritual, try a cup of thyme tea. Steep a few fresh sprigs, or 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, in hot water for 7 to 10 minutes. Add a squeeze of honey and lemon. It's soothing, aromatic, and genuinely good for you. Thyme is also a star in the classic French bouquet garni and the Mediterranean herb blend, Herbes de Provence. Wherever you want warmth, depth, and earthiness, thyme belongs. Before we wrap up, a word on safety. Because even nature's best gifts deserve a little caution. Thyme, used as a culinary herb, is safe for virtually everyone in normal food amounts. However, medicinal doses, like concentrated supplements, essential oils, or very strong teas taken regularly, warrant more attention. People who are pregnant or breastfeeding should stick to culinary amounts and avoid medicinal thyme preparations without consulting their doctor. Those with allergies to plants in the Lamiaceae family, like mint or oregano, may also be sensitive to thyme. And importantly, thyme essential oil should never be ingested undiluted. It's for topical or aromatic use only. If you're on blood-thinning medications, thyme may have mild anticoagulant effects, so check with your healthcare provider. As always, food is medicine, but medicine still needs guidance. And there you have it. Thyme in all its extraordinary depth. From the sun-baked hillsides of the Mediterranean to your kitchen counter, this humble little herb carries thousands of years of wisdom backed by a growing body of modern science. Whether you're adding it to tonight's roast chicken, brewing it into a soothing tea, or simply appreciating the rich aroma it brings to your home, thyme is one of nature's quiet gifts, waiting to be rediscovered. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves, nourish your bodies wisely, and I'll see you in the next one.